Good day, ma'am. This is the presentation of Group 8, the propaganda movement. So, what is the propaganda? Propaganda is a message designed to persuade its intended audience to think and behave in a certain manner. It is the spreading of ideas, information, or humor for the purpose of helping or injuring an institution, cause, on a person. So, what is propaganda movement? Propaganda movement is a peaceful crusade or campaign for reforms was done by means of pen and tongue to pressure the Spanish government. It was organized and participated by the Ilustrados. Rise of propaganda movement began in 1872 when Fathers Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora were executed at the Luneta. Who were the active in this movement? The propagandists were the patriots who waged their movement by means of pen and tongue to expose the defects of Spanish rule in the Philippines and urgency or of reforms to remedy them. They were the scions of good families, highly intelligent, educated, patriotic, and courageous who symbolized the flower of Filipino manhood. So, sino yung mga propagandist natin? Ito yung si Marcelo H. Del Pilar, si Dr. Jose Rizal, na siya nagsulat ng No Limitang Area at ng El Filibusterismo during this time. Tsaka si Graciano Lopez Saina. Nandito din si Mariano Ponce, medical student and biographical writer.
So ma'am, ito po ang sunod na topic ay La Solidaridad. Ang La Solidaridad means organization. A purely Filipino organization established in Barcelona on December 31, 1888. Graciano Apacible was the president and Graciano Lopez Jena was the vice president. Graciano Lopez Jena founded his fortnightly newspaper in Barcelona on February 15, 1889. M.H. Del Pilar helped prepare the issues. It was printed in Barcelona from February 15 to October 31, 1889. Then in Madrid from November 15, 1889 to November 15, 1895. Ang La Solidaridad ay isang pahayagan na inilathala sa Espanya na nagsilbing boses ng kilusan, naglalaan ng mga artikulo at sanaysay para sa reforma at laban sa mga kilusan. And ito naman yung mga contributors of La Solidaridad. M.H. Del Pilar, kilala din bilang Plaridel. Dr. Jose Rizal, Laong Laan. Mariano Ponce, kilala bilang Tigbalang. Antonio Luna, Taga-Ilog. Josema Panganiban, Jumapa. Dr. Pedro Paterno, Antonio Regidor, Isabelo de los Reyes, Eduardo Delete, Jose Alejandrino, Professor Blumentritt at Dr. Moraita.
La Liga Filipina, Unos Instra Omnium, or One Like All. A political association of patriotic Filipino founded by Rizal to crusade for reforms. Founded by Jose Rizal on July 3, 1892, in the house of Elias Street, Tondo. Its constitution was written by Jose Rizal, helped by Jose Ma Basa. La Liga Filipina aims union of the archipelago into a compact, vigorous, and homogeneous body. Mutual protection in all cases of pressing necessity. Defense against all violence and injustice. Study and application of reforms. Encourage of education, agriculture, and commerce. La Liga Filipina. President. Ambrosio Salvador. Fiscal. Agustin Del Rosa. Treasurer. Bonifacio Arabelo. Secretary. Diosdado Arellano. Members: Andres Bonifacio, Apolinario Mabini, Mamerto Natividad, Ambrosio Rianzares Bautista, Moises Salvador, Jose A. Dizon, Domingo Franco, Timoteo Paez, Arcadio del Rosario, Numeriano Adriano, Timoteo Lanuza. That is the members. However, 3 days after the founding of the Liga Filipina, Rizal was arrested by order of Government General Despujol. On July 6, 1892, Rizal was exiled to Filipina to be the Liga Filipinas collapsed. The Liga Filipina, isang samahan na tinatawag ni Rizal para sa mapayapang pagsusulong ng reforma. Ngunit agad na diskaril dahil sa kanyang pag-aresto.
Bilang pagkatapos ay bagamat hindi natupad ang kilusang propaganda, ang layunin nitong reforma sa ilalim ng Espanya ay naging mahalaga naman ito sa paggising ng damdaming makabayan ng mga Pilipino. Naghanda ito ng daan para sa mas marahas ngunit mas epektibong himagsikan noong 1896 na nagdala sa kalayaan ng bansa. That's all and thank you sa pakikinig.